Hi, this is our project demo for group 20 and for the project BrainNet. So here we can see the interface for our app. We have three drop down menus. First one is to select a user. For this demo we'll be going with subject 46. The second one is to choose a model name, in which you can choose either naive Bayes model, SVM model, decision tree, or a regression model. Let's start with the regression model. And you can also choose the server type, for example cloud, fog, or mobile. So let's go with cloud type server. And now we read the input file, which is the pre-processed brainwave of the user. We have selected a test file, and let's try logging in. So it says that the brain file that was selected was correct, and that's why it's showing accepted and the subject ID. Now let's try uploading another file which does not belong to that subject and see what the result is with another model, let's say SVM. So as you can see, it says rejected, and the user whose file we selected was subject 104. We also have the option to register a particular user.
Hi, this is the code walkthrough for Team 20 for the project BrainNet, and this is the main activity.java for our app. Here we see that we have created three spinners for the three drop-down menus, and once each of the option is selected, the corresponding URL, for example, for the server is selected, and the contents of the file are read from the file that the user selects. And then when the user clicks the login button, this method right here is called, which essentially calls the next activity, which is the display message activity. In this activity, we create a post request, as you can see here, that has the input data, and it is passed to the fog server or the cloud server according to what the user chose in the previous activity. And once we get the response, we compare it with the user profile that the user selected at login time, and if it is same, we show accepted, otherwise we show rejected. Now I'll be showing the fog server and the cloud server. So on the left you can see that I have started the cloud server, which is an Amazon cloud server, and on the right we have the fog server, which is running on my local machine using Flask. So you can see that some of the post requests have been made here, and I'll start the cloud server as well. And you can see here the response time for each of the requests that is made. This response time is the time that it took for the code to run on the local machine, not the time that it took for the code for the user to press the button and receive the response. That's it. Hi, this is the code walkthrough for Team 20, and this is the code that was used to train the 4 different models that we used in our app. So the first model is the regression model, then we have the decision tree model, then the naive Bayes model, and then the SVM model. This is the code that is run on the server, and when the app and the user submits the request, a post request is sent to the server, and the data is contained in the dictionary with the key called data, like you can see here. And the prediction model is saved, pre-computed and saved, and we just do a forward pass through the prediction model, and the results are returned to the user.